Hello guys, welcome to this video, and in this video we are going to talk about if you are having a high value product, if you are selling high value products and you want to sell those products via Facebook ads, then you are at the right place, because in this video we are going to talk about one of the best audiences that you can choose to sell those high value products. So without any further ado, let's get started. So what I'll do is I'll create a campaign, I'll choose sales as an objective, and I'll click on continue. In the first window, I don't have to do anything. I won't go with A/B testing or campaign budget optimization. I'll click on next. In this, I'll choose website and pixel. You can always create that pixel, and once you create that pixel, you can choose purchase as the final conversion objective, which is always recommended. You should always optimize for purchase if you're trying to sell something online. Daily budget you can choose based on your monthly budget, whatever that is. I always prefer daily budget as compared to lifetime budget, because you're more in control there. Then coming to the audience section, which is the main part, right? So here, geography depends on wherever you are shipping the products, and always convert this to people living in this location. Except if you are a travel based company and you want to sell packages to people who often travel, then you can choose living in or recently. But otherwise, if you are selling products in a particular geography, then people living in this location. I suppose, let's assume that if it's all India shipping, so I'll choose India as the overall location. Demographic you can choose based on your target persona, assuming that it's a high value product. So I will go ahead and choose 24 to, let's say, 50 or 55. Let's say 50, because 50 plus audience is hardly active on online. They prefer the offline modes more. So I think 24 to 50 would be a sweet spot. You can change it according, like you can make it 26 to 55, or you can change like 20-30% up and down. That's fine. Gender specific, if let's say if I'm selling jewelry for women, then I'll obviously go and choose women. If it's not gender specific, you can choose all, or if it's men specific, you can choose men, whatever that is. Now coming to the main part, right? Here, first of all, I'll tick off the advantage detailed targeting, because I'm not a fan of that, because I believe that you should be in control of who sees your ad, you should be in control of how much you are spending. So always try to take as much control as possible, right? Here, first step I'll do is I'll type in jewelry, since I'm selling jewelry. So I first want to choose people who are interested in jewelry. As you can see, it's a very high potential audience. Uh, you can see the estimated audience size here, which is huge. The estimated daily reach is also good. The estimated number of conversions showing is also good. So no problem here. But the major pinpoint here is, if I only target jewelry based audience, I don't know if these people have the potential to pay, because my products start from 50,000, 60,000, 70,000, even goes to a lakh rupees worth and even more, right? So I don't want to show to people who don't have the potential to pay. That will be a waste of money. So I'll click on narrow audience, and I'll type in high value. As soon as you do that, you will see this audience, people in India who prefer high value goods. I'll select that. So now I have narrowed it down to only show my ads to people who prefer high value goods, which means they have the potential to pay for high value goods. These could be people who have paid for, who have bought jewelry in the past, which is worth, let's say, a lot. And that's why Facebook has categorized them into this particular set, right? So as you see, still my audience size is sizable. It's in the green phase, 2.7. Anything above 1500 of reach per day is a good audience. 15 to 43 again is a good estimate. So this becomes my uh, audience for jewelry in high value category. So you can go with this, you can save this audience, and then in the next step you can definitely add your creative. You would have connected your page, so you can add your creative, your video, and then push it live. So I hope this added value, and let me know in the comment section if you have used this audience, how did it work, and if any questions about Facebook ads, you can also drop in below. And you can also subscribe to my channel to stay tuned about these latest updates of ads, the best audiences, the best tips, tricks, because I keep sharing these digital marketing and personal branding videos daily. So you can subscribe and like and comment. That would be a great help, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.